Chief Minister Nongthongma Birren inaugurates 10-day 15th state-level Orange Festival at Mini Stadium of Tamenglong District today. Unidentified assailants shot dead one surrender of proscribed outfit Kanglei Park Communist Party Lamphel at Thangmaiban Yumnam Laikai this morning. Manipur Lomi Loop demands closure of Loktal Hydroelectric and Ithai Barrage project by December this year. MLA Nauria Pakanglakpa Sobhyam Subhas Chandra asserts revival of library movement once prevalent in the state will enhance the state's educational system. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization celebrates 8th Foundation Day. Organization demands SIT probe into misappropriation of MOBC schemes at the earliest. And Likla Bakery of Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited becomes Manipur's first ISO 22000-2005 licensee. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joy Shusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongma Birren has inaugurated the 15th state-level Orange Festival at the Mini Stadium of Tamenglong District today. Forest Minister T.A. Shyamkumar, Revenue Minister Karam Sham, MLA Tamenglong Samuel Zendai and MLA Tamay Awangbao Nyumai were amongst those present in the inaugural of the 10-day festival. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Nongthongma Birren appealed not to create any hindrances in the developmental initiatives of the government. He assured of setting up cold storage facility in Tamenglong to ensure availability of oranges throughout the year. Speaking on the occasion, Forest Minister T.A. Shyamkumar said the festival was organized to promote orange production of the state. He believed that the festival will bring prosperity and harmony among various communities of the state. Revenue Minister Karam Sham called on everyone, especially the youths, to fully utilize the resources available in the state for a sustainable economy. Launching of a website for a media house called Dicham and cultural performances highlighted the day. A surrenderer who was a former self-styled commander of proscribed outfit Kanglei Park Communist Party Lamphel was shot dead by unidentified assailants today. The incident occurred at Thangmaiban Yumnam Laikai in Imphal West District around 6 this morning. The deceased, Soraijam Modhu Chandra, 44 years, son of Dinamani from Thangmaiban Watham Lairak, surrendered to Chief Minister Nongthongma Birren on June 19, 2017 with two 9mm pistols and was staying at a designated camp in Chote village of Bishnupur district. Impact News sources said unidentified individuals coming in a diesel auto rickshaw shot Modhu Chandra, who was taking a morning walk with his dog at Chairauching. 6 bullet marks were found on his upper back and 2 on his legs. Upon getting the information, a team of Imphal West Police rushed at the spot, followed by a forensic team. The body is kept at Rims Morgue. A case was registered at Imphal West Police Station and investigations are underway. Meanwhile, proscribed outfit United National Liberation Front UNLF in a press release has claimed responsibility for killing surrenderer Soraijam Modhu Chandra. UNLF stated that Modhu Chandra was shot dead for acting against the outfits after surrendering to the state government. The proscribed outfit one of similar fate to all surrenderers if they plot against freedom struggle of the outfits. The two JCB drivers engaged in blacktopping of a road in Parengai Khuman under Bishnupur District Police Station, who were kidnapped by unknown armed miscreants, have been safely rescued by a combined rescue team of Bishnupur Police and Commando Bishnupur this afternoon around 1:30. The team, led by OC Bishnupur Police Ningombam Suresh and OC Commando Bishnupur B. Lunthang Waife, rescued the two kidnapped drivers safely at Bunghil along as Nabil Road and were handed over to their respective families. It may be recalled that drivers Gaidun Long Gonmei from Oinam Long village and Emmanuel Topro, a resident of Awangkul, originally from Jharkhand, were kidnapped by armed miscreants coming in a Bolero car on December 4 around 11 p.m. A joint team of Narcotic Affairs, Border, NAP and Thoubal District Police destroyed vast cultivation of marijuana plants during a drive at Karim Bikhok today. It may be recalled that similar drive was conducted in the area a few days ago. The team set ablaze the narcotic plants before the residents. All Tribal Students Union Manipur Atsam has demanded to award befitted punishment to the culprits involved in Hiroshima molestation case of November 27. Atsam also condemned all the civil society organizations of the valley for keeping silent instead of taking active roles in punishing the miscreants. Speaking to media at Atsam office at Adim Jati complex in Chingmerong today, Atsam Education Secretary Henkai Singsit stated that numerous incidents of sexual abuse against women of the hills occurred in many places of the valley. He asserted that such inhumane actions are perpetrated, taking advantage of the silence of the hilly women who believed that law enforcing agents and relevant authorities of the government would take appropriate actions. Stressing the need for public sensitization on such atrocities, Henkai Singsit maintained that all women should be respected irrespective of caste and creed. It may be mentioned that the 4 accused involved in the molestation case are already in the police custody.
Tribal ni haibagi moina single out torga moisi tribal machani hoin torusu moi kaimta hairoi ngamoy haibagi wakhallon ma lairaga tobune sidi akhoisu yam pende adu corporate singsi hojik phagre police singsu akhoi appreciate towe adubu akhoina hainingsi government gi law enforcing agency police ga court singna masi issue di seriously low deba yaroi chingi mi ma molest rape tobada moidi kaisu haide haina dumaina lora madi handak di yam soine every time sumaina tobada akhoi di sarkar na mathau to sunaina senga su mathau akoina condemn toba mathak irang to dobne corporate singsu charge tobio matik chaba dandi pi dobne.
YVO Club Wangkei apprehended 4 individuals for extorting money in the name of the club and handed them over to Imphal East Police Station. Upon getting tip-off that some individuals were asking money from the winner of YVO's Ningol Nachom, members of the club rushed at the spot and apprehended the culprits. Speaking at the sidelines, former president of the club, R.K. Sanatomba, condemned the act and appeals to the government to take actions against the same.
Young Volunteer Organization YVO office lekai sigi furniture toba amakakta Manipur da leiba sanaroi singi mamingda makoina letterhead khara sinaraga Manipur ki mafam singda satlaga sanabagi mamingda sel khaiba loinana haukiba 2017 da akoigi Ningol Nachom maina akoi Young Volunteer Organization YVO na sinba dugumnaba Ningol Nachom haiba thorom sida layokhabi Ningol ki prize pangba winner singi mayumda makoina satna sanabagi mamingda pasa khairamba makoina laamba video footage dagi akoina Tengnarapadagi, Hariba Mokoi, Maria Si, Waiyoki, Castadida, Laibani, police Singapore, Atumatam Sinazaragani.
Manipur Longmi Loop has demanded termination of Loktak Hydroelectric Project and Ithai Barrage Project by this December. The association warned of formidable agitations if the relevant authority fails to compensate farmers, in addition to setting up an eco task force under the funding of the center. Speaking to media at Iravat Bhavan complex in BT Road this afternoon, I beg your pardon, General Secretary of Manipur Lomi Lup, H. Ibobi, intimated that a 12-member team of the association submitted a memorandum demanding termination of the two projects which have affected farmers for over 30 years to the Prime Minister while participating in an All India Kisan Sabha meeting in Delhi on November 30. He said the same memorandum was also submitted to the Chief Minister, but no actions are undertaken till date. Taking part in the press meet, President of the Farmers Association, M. Singhajit, lamented that due to inadequate measures by the government, farmers are suffering grievously in the country to the extent of 35 farmers committing suicide on a daily basis. He maintained that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to double farmers' income by 2022 is unrealizable, as the Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Commission report for the welfare of farmers approved by the central government is not yet put into actions. Singhajit condemned the state government for not providing any assistance to farmers for their losses incurred during recent floods and droughts. He also accused the Agriculture Department of providing welfare schemes only to some closely associated farmers and advertising the same on media.
Manipur Lomi Lumna Coin Tamjari, Loktak Projesi, Pazana Lokto, Down Toro, Adugi Loktak Parsi Pazana Sengalo, Adu Tai Dam, Lokto, Aduga, Lomi Singi Punsi Kalu, Hybapam Pizeki, Vasisang, Punamaxing Asa, Haribat Sali Vasayasi, December Tab, Homalunda, Karima Sakas and Yambilok Tokari, Akoi Asoba Andalon, demonstration, Wakat Mipam, Makan Kiagi, Akoi, hit over Andalon, Sangilani, Maram di Jahi Kuntrabu, low Parili Sing Yang Kagi, Matakta Maripusu, Nasibo, Kitty Puron Peter Basi, Karamba Lomina Kang Lake. He made I show you have a Masako Hyman but talked to Rabanet. Manaman Akoi Manipur Lomiluna, Siasang, Pirga, Hoja Kiara, Akoi Highlands ceremony, Adubu, Nasida Quitamina Kang Livangam Trabanet.
MLA Nauria Pakanglakpa Swebam Subhas Chandra has stressed the need to revive a library movement for enhancing educational system of the state. He was speaking at the launch of a two-day national seminar on systematizing library system to inspire readership community at State Central Library Auditorium in Nitepak Chutek today. The seminar was jointly organized by Manipur Library Association, Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata, and the Art and Culture Department. MLA Subhas Chandra lamented at the diminishing trend of library movement in the state, which was once prevalent 20 years ago. Stressing the need for librarians and other staff for running a library successfully, he mentioned that many educational institutions in the state, apart from some old schools and colleges, lack the same. He also lamented that students of the present generation do not frequent libraries. Calling the need for libraries, the MLA assured of setting up various libraries in his constituency. President of Manipur Library Association, Kangjam Chauba, and Associate Professor of Nehu Shillong, Dr. P. Han Singh, were present in the event.
Quality education, the library, library chocolate quality education. Workani have a library hall is district Kurimata, Adi Kungangi, Lamdamda, library hall mamam. I not take Ken, Lamdagazu, I get Ken, the Pumsava Kai, Kaidugi, Pumsava Shentananda, a local area development from the library hall mamam Saragi.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO celebrated its 8th Foundation Day at Hotel Classic today. Speaking on the occasion, MMWO President Phundrei Mayum Abdullah Pathan asserted that MMWO will stand for Manipur forever. He added that MMWO was formed to integrate Manipur irrespective of caste, creed and culture. He appreciated Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren-led state government for fulfilling its long-due demand for a separate directorate of MOBC exclusively for minority community. Abdullah Pathan, however, lamented that the government is yet to start an investigation into misappropriation of schemes under the MOBC during 2010 to 2017 by forming an SIT. He warned of intense agitations by MMWO if the government fails to come up with a definite report on the same at the earliest.
Nasi mayai kabani sada nasi lesu iba masih crime kaya to ibu masih mana mereka nak kau semai kaba nisagi mayok tu su ID aku di miron sibu samaja sibu karena lebih damak temai kaba cinjaki mayok tu kau thang paikat pasu hauragan ni kau hausu hausa kre MMW Women's Wing na Manipur dah lagi ba maiti pangan khunda ba ID hiram kaya sotal le haura ba adum la maiti pangan singa dugi ID workset aku kaya dah hangdok cek pising sama sana masa betul pizza ba aku work culture ama thamna bai damak kau angan akan berthak tu hona jagani am su launi sinmi singi damak ta makoi matam matami matungi na makoi maru marang na tergome di fangfam tok singa to fangan bai damak ta all Manipur pangal farmer development organization ko wa ma am fado ko wa ma khak akoi MMW mi am khara sengpre
Manipur Police Constable Male Recruitment 2013 DPC pass candidates were halted by police on their way to submit a memorandum to Chief Minister's bungalow at Yai School Police Lane today. The candidates were on their way to submit the memorandum containing demand for declaration of their 5-year delayed recruitment results to Governor, Chief Minister and MP. However, security forces overpowered and the helpless candidates could not proceed further. Speaking to media, President of the batch, Laimyum Nandakishore, condemned state government's recent arrangement to recruit new IRBs without declaring the 5 years delayed result. He urged the government to declare the result at the earliest.
November 23, koi dai taraba dai po bp ro ba mi mu ga haido kane haina koi leiba media me amda na ko ki ba record me leira bane ka koi 2013 gi base a koi ya hakkari no manga bra ba na daga koi aran me lambi sanna ba ki makta Manipur da koi onan biri ra ba sa sing manau sing je modu yeng biri ga thabak to on thok yo haido ki ba hai thabak to on thok koi da ba haido ki ba
Sabam Rajmani Institute of Manipur Studies organized a one-day national seminar on Sanamahi faith, ethics and dress code in the hall of Manipur State Archives at Kaishampat today. Speaking in the event, Vice Chairperson of State Planning Board, MLA Lamshang Sorokhaibam Rajan espoused for preserving and promoting the age-old faith, traditions and customs of Meitei community among youths and Manipuri diasporas, stating that there are Meiteis residing in Myanmar, Bangladesh and other parts of the world, as Rajan asserted that following the age-old customs, traditions and faith will identify one as Meitei. He maintained that Sanamahism is the indigenous religion of Meitei community. However, the community was consumed by the wave of Hinduism in the history of the state. He expressed relief that Meitei community is once again embracing Sanamahi faith. Many experts discussed on the theme of the seminar today.
How from where you culture, I go lining lison, I go legeriba, dress, Mayam Sinasina, Saktakadori, Mayam among the I Paloma Songoga, Ilepaganda, I may take me and I Saktakoya. Maramaduna, I go Asigumba, I go the horrible letter, I go culture, Mayam Sinase, I go the preserve of the night when I look at the night with Tundala River, I go the Maitei community, Maitei ever Zati, Sika Horka River, I go. Isasing issues in order to generation kaya this way. Maganda na thamna bagi dapat tayo koi. Sikumba mayama may koi horpo mayama may koi na naman tayo.
Yelho Mi Thaupe has organized a one-day seminar on the traditional economy and financial system of Meitei community at the Youth Hostel of Khuman Lampak Sports Complex today. Yelho Mi Thaupe is an organization working to safeguard the state's indigenous culture and traditions. Speaking on the occasion, Professor of Manipur University W. Nabakumar stressed the need to preserve the age-old practices and inculcate the same to younger generations. During the first session of the seminar, moderated by Manipur University Professor Gunindro, village head of Chakpa, Phayang Ningthaujam Toyai gave his resourceful insights on Kai Lingba and Senmit Pukai Marup Singlup. Tongbram Shamkishore from Thanga spoke on Pad Chaba, Soy Chaba, and Nauroibam Indramani from Nauremthong gave his insights on Imam Market. Resource persons also spoke on various topics, including Kulang Machat Hinkol during the afternoon session.
Miyam to namakta trip days si pangthong na piwa. Ito ay culture gi ako'y leisure ba nati posak si hanggan na tigat ko ba madam dadi liksan bagin no gilay si di ako'y Meitei singi di ako'y punsirol ga ꯊꯥꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯨ ꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯏꯟꯁꯥꯡ ꯊꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯆꯦꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯕ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛ 10 ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯁꯟꯕ ꯊꯨꯝ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯕꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯧꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯆꯐꯨ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯡꯐꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯆꯨꯞꯂꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯡꯀꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯗꯒꯤꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯔꯣꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯥꯅꯣꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯞꯄꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯔꯣꯞꯀꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯥꯅꯣꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯞꯄꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯛꯁꯦ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯎꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on MMTA condemning the content of the agreement signed with Nagaland police for releasing the 8 jailed MMTA trekkers. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA has strongly condemned the contents of the agreement signed for the releasing of the 8 jailed MMTA trekkers arrested by Nagaland police during their expedition in Zuko Valley as part of Sangai Festival. Speaking to media at MMTA office in Minuthong today, MMTA President Kakchingtabam Bijoy intimated that MMTA has taken various resolutions during its meeting held against the agreement. Bijoy stated that the agreement was signed by the state government and one MMTA executive member to bail out the 8 arrested trekkers accused of starting wildfire in Zuko Valley. He termed it unfortunate that the agreement stated Nagaland's 2 organizations, Southern Angami Youth Organization and Southern Angami People's Organization, as the legal custodian of the valley. He maintained that 2/3 of the around 3 square kilometers Zuko Valley belongs to Manipur and the remaining 1/3 belongs to Nagaland state. He further termed it unfortunate that the agreement mentions 3 entry points to reach the valley. Bijoy recalled that many unwanted incidents occurred to trekkers at the valley, allegedly perpetrated by the people of Nagaland.
Advantage lauraga makoina political kanoma koi move ama tawbadona Zuko che sapo musung sayogi legal custody ani hajilakpase MMT na aurali reject tawi yade aduga Manipur Sarkar Nagaland Sarkar yanagi entry point dagi sangkadabani habisi masisu ikone yade marandi Lok Sabha gi election lakpa masi tongan political party sing agenda oina sinabagi pot ama lakpa yabagi akiba leiba aduga masimangna interstate ki marakta nungainda banusina da thokpa yabagi problem leibanina masi MMT go ba stand ase miyam mangda Pongo Chumi and Kalakanda, see morning standing executive committee Pamaga, high washing as Lozavani.
MMTA Senapati District Secretary Hira Parajuli, who took an active role in bringing home the 8 trekkers, stated that the agreement was signed after PHED Minister Losi Diko and various representatives of Nagaland held an in-depth discussion on the matter. He maintained that there was no threat whatsoever from Nagaland to sign the agreement.
Akoi minister nasu wari kupna saraga wari si lothok pakanduda sumaine MMTA gi executive amana so sign toba yaro yadaba phipam lei hebigdigi moina han koina so yabigi akoi minister nasu sign tobagi aina so sign tawraga angangsing lothokrabni natradi angangsing si piroi MMTA gi member executive ama yawdradi angangsing si piroi haibidigi aina sumaina sign tawraga angangsing si lothokni.
Likla Bakery of Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited has become the first private company of Manipur to get International Organization for Standardization ISO 22000-2005 license. Addressing media at Nilakuti Food Park in Imphal East, Managing Director of Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited, Thangjam Joy Kumar said the company established in 1991 has now over 750 employees and produces over 60 varieties of food items. He assured of producing many more food items and promote them in the international level. Ligla agencies were felicitated on the occasion.
Put a sea of a chapel sabanina. I reverse certification as see Makada do's and don'ts by Amina parameters, my people. Parameters in Tungang Chapakan the Masanadum automatically put see quality and standard and hygiene si ngang chalakpanina adugumba poradu ekhona prajada public ta piba ngamnaba haibagi pandam masida ekhona changchan jabani the quality bu leiragadi masana mapan gi layo pochai sing chu su ko compete taw ngamba amadi koi gi user sing consumer sing na koi gi lingla gi product ta hen confidence leina pot si sinabi ngi haibagi wakhan ta su sugumba certificate si tawjabani.
District Administration Bishnupur organized a one-day discussion meet on Loktak Livelihood Mission initiated by Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren with an aim to enhance fish production in the state. Speakers in the program organized under Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority enlightened on how to fully implement the mission. Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee Bishnupur, P. Premchand, Taubul Gram Panchayat member and many people in the area attended the meet held at Taubul Sorarel Community Hall in Bishnupur district today. The 13-day-long micro-enterprise development program on eco-friendly making of biodegradable papers, bags, cups and plate, organized by People's Development Society, concluded today. Participants were felicitated in the concluding event held at the training hall of People's Development Society in New Chekon. The Micro-Enterprise Development Program, sponsored by NABARD Manipur Regional Office, was held under Din Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihood Mission and National Rural Livelihood Mission for fully functioning self-help groups. All Manipur Mentally Handicapped Persons Welfare Organization observed National Day on Mental Retardation at B.B. Paul Mental Development Home in Mongshangai today. President of the organization R.K. Pramo Shija, Vice President Professor El Somorjit and other staffs attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of the organization Y. Ibe Chaubi urged everyone to strive for ensuring equal rights and opportunities to mentally challenged individuals. Ibe Chaubi maintained that the children in the home are provided proper education and vocational trainings to make them self-reliant. She appreciated the state government for providing assistance to the residents under Chief Minister's Sotharaba Singhi Tengbang scheme and expected further assistance. Opening song of the event sang by children of the home mesmerized the audience.
Makoi su lebak sigi citizen ni lebak sigi nagarik ni makoi ge voting right lai tayu masung makoi ge hak ti demand to bang jadi lebak sigi chief minister oi bi ba makoi honorable CM na makoi ga mukta sotharaba sigi tembang haiduna karan bibira ba sina aikoi yam nungai ba amasuk pokse makoi si su mi oi bani makoi hak chaw lai tayu masung tem tana ba akoi makoi kokta kari tawga ai punsi sihingani kanada di pen tawgani kanada hogani haba jabangamba adugo mamioi amatana sadi.
Manipur State Commission for Women and Ideal Girls College under the aegis of University and Higher Education Government of Manipur jointly organized a workshop on understanding rights and responsibilities of women at Ideal Girls College in Akampat today. Speaking in the event, DC Kangpokpi District, Dr. Rangita Bali asserted that to be a woman of substance, a woman should know her rights. She stressed the need to hold such workshops frequently to raise awareness on women's rights. Director of Human Rights Alert, Bablu Loitongbam, attended the event as a resource person. The 39th state-level Science, Mathematics and Environment exhibition for children at Lamlong Higher Secondary School, organized by the Department of Education S since December 4, concluded today. 70 schools participated in the exhibition held on the theme Scientific Solution for Challenges in Life. Chief guest of the event, Education S Director T.H. Kiran Kumar felicitated winners of competitions held as part of the exhibition. Chinambam Ibomcha CI College Road Nupi Chowkhat Bishnupur district drew government's attention to take stock of Indian red monkeys inhabiting in the college's campus. Taking part in a cleanliness drive jointly organized by SP Bishnupur and the Women's Association in the Bushi campus of the college today, Secretary of the Association T.H. Dhaneshwari urged the government to fence and properly maintain CI College, which is one of the oldest colleges in the state, without further delay. One-day sensitization cum awareness program of community influencer on health and nutrition service was held at CHC Chakpikarong today. Over 40 influencers comprising of village chiefs, secretary, members, pastors, NGOs, youth leaders participated in the event organized by District Health Society Chandel with support from the UNICEF. Similar program was also held at Sajik Tampak on December 6 with the participation of 40+ influencers from villages in and around Sajik Tampak areas. Kashampat Thiamlaikai Development Committee and Shiza Hospitals and Research Institute jointly organized a one-day free medical camp at Kashampat Thiamlaikai Community Hall today. Free BP and blood sugar tests were provided at the camp. Facility for 50% discount for other tests at Shiza Hospitals was also offered during the camp. DM College of Commerce Alumni Association along with Environment and Rural Development Society Kamjong organized a mega health camp cum distribution of free medicine and clothes at Kamjong today. 344 people of the area were checked up in the camp held under the Directorate of Health Services, Government of Manipur, Manipur AIDS Control Society, CMO Kamjong and Assam Rifles. Free medicines were also distributed in the camp. Bharatiya Janata Party Singjamai Mandal organized the first Booth Samparak Maha Abhiyan Sanmelan under the initiative of BJP Manipur Pradesh President Ketramim Bhavananda today with an aim to strengthen the party ahead of 2019 Lok Sabha election. Former BJP presidents, party leaders and Mahila Morcha workers attended a meet held at Singjamai Chingamakha Iromleira. Speaking in the event, Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Salam Joy asserted that BJP will regain its power in the upcoming Lok Sabha election, scheduled to be held in March or April next year. Northeast Forum for International Solidarity (NEFIS) in a press release strongly condemned the recent arrest of Manipuri journalist Kishore Chandra Wangkemcha under National Security Act (NSA). The forum demanded to release him but stressed that they do not support the indecent language used by the journalist. Now the sports news. The Casa Koso football tournament organized by 109th Battalion CRPF at Mao's Pundunamai village since December 5 concluded today. 10 teams took part in the tournament. PhD Minister Losi Diko, commandant of 109th Battalion CRPF, Vinod Kumar and many people attended the concluding event. In the final match played today, Song Song Youth and Students Organization defeated Fisulfi 4-0. Winners and runners-up team of the tournament were felicitated with cash awards, certificates and medals. Lifestyle Fitness Gym has extended financial assistance to Manipur team consisting of 7 members and an official who will be participating in the 10th World Bodybuilding and Physique Sports Championship at Chiang Mai in Thailand from December 11 to 21st. January 1st. Speaking in the event held at Lifestyle Fitness Gym, Sangai Pro Gym Manager Mayengbam Swami said that the assistance was provided as an encouragement to the players and in line with the gym's vision for a healthy society. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongtungman Biren inaugurates 10-day 15th state-level Orange Festival at Mini Stadium of Tamenglong District today. Unidentified assailants shot dead one surrenderer of proscribed outfit Kanglekpa Communist Party Lamphel at Thangmaiban Yumnam Laikai this morning. Manipur Laumi Loop demands closure of Loktal Hydroelectric and Ithai Barrage projects by December this year. MLA Nauria Pakanglakpa constituency Soibam Subhash Chandra asserts revival of library movement once prevalent in the state will enhance the state's educational system. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization celebrates Aid Foundation Day. Organization demands SIT probe into misappropriation of MOBC schemes at the earliest. And Ligla Bakery of Thangjam Agro Industries Private Limited becomes Manipur's first ISO 22000-2005 licensee.